Today's question is, what does Islam teaches us? I have 10 points to present to you today. Number 1, Islam's primary message as understood by overwhelming majority of the Muslims is the continuation of Ibrahim alayhi salam monotheist traditions believe in one God, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The three major dimensions of Islam includes belief, ritual, practices, and the effort to improve one's character and action. There are 6 major beliefs in Islam and 5 central practices that are referred to as the 5 pillars of Islam. The last dimension of Islam focuses on the cultivation of excellent moral character to better oneself and the world around oneself. Number 5, it teaches a set of values that promote life, liberty, equality, and justice. Some of these values include respect for the earth, respect for the environment, care and compassion for those who are less fortunate, those who are poor, those who are needy, those who are handicapped, and the importance of seeking knowledge, honesty, and truthfulness in words as well as in deeds and action. Lastly, striving continuously to improve oneself and in this world in order to receive better results and be rewarded in the hereafter, and the purpose is to acquire a place in heavens or in Jannah. Thank you.